Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your PUBG Mobile account permanently. So in order to do that, first of all, open up your PUBG application on your mobile device. Once you're in the home screen, tap on the little arrow facing upwards at the bottom right next to Inventory. Now in the pop-up, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, make sure that you're inside Account, and once you open up this option that says Account Info, you will see a Delete Account button at the bottom. Tap on it, and then to continue deleting your account, click on Delete Account. After you proceed to delete your account will be deleted in 7 days. All the data including game currency and purchases will also be deleted forever. You can tap the back button to stop deleting your account, but in order to continue the deletion, tap on Exit Game. And that is how you can easily delete your PUBG Mobile account in just a couple of steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Share and subscribe to our channel for more PUBG tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.